Attention all traders, if you're tired of the fairy tales from shady or fly-by-night Forex brokers, this one's for you. Hello there, from Team Pip Infuse, welcome to the magical world of Forex trading, where some brokers promise you the moon and stars, but in reality, you're more likely to get a rock and a flashlight. Surprise, they'll say, with just a tiny investment, you can change your life. Translation: you'll be lucky if you can afford a decent cup of coffee next week. Grande disappointment, anyone? And the classic, our platform is designed to help you succeed. Yeah, like how a treadmill is designed to help you run, but you're still not going anywhere. Keep running, champ. Oh, and that 90% success rate they brag about? More like 90% of you will wonder where your money went. Poof, it's magic. Remember when they said, you can trade anytime, anywhere? That's code for, we don't care if you're on a beach or in the bathroom, just keep trading so we can keep earning commissions. Priorities, right? And the cherry on top? We'll guide you every step of the way. Sure, if by guidance you mean automated messages and a call center that makes you wait for hours. Patience is a virtue. So next time you hear a Forex broker's pitch, just remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Shocker, because in the world of Forex, the only thing guaranteed is uncertainty. But hey, if you find a regulated broker, you might just get a fair shot. Just maybe. Whether you are a beginner in Forex, a professional trader, investor, or a startup broker, feel free to reach out to us for a friendly chat or free consultation at info@pipinfuse.com or visit pipinfuse.com for more information. We may be able to assist you. All links in the description. Happy trading, everyone.